Okay, ready? Here you go. Open it up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I like that.
Oh boy.
Wow, that's good.
What's that? You put your trucks in there.
Oh, it's a trailer. And what is this?
Chocolate.
And this was I saw.
Yeah, it's a puzzle. Did you see what this is? Did you see this?
Yeah.
What is that?
More chocolate.
Yeah, it's a big chocolate bunny. There's more. Keep opening.
Another book. More chocolate.
Yay! Chocolate is so good. More.
Another one.
Wow, there's so much you don't know what to do. That's the deepest basket I've ever seen. And then look, what's it? What's this? What's this right here?
Chocolate.
No, but what's this?
A bunny.
No, it's something else. What is it? Is it a lamb? Give it a hug.
Huh?
Give it a hug. You like it? He's like, oh, dude, there's chocolate. Forget that. Uh-oh. Yummy.
Now that's an Easter basket.
Huh, yeah.
Wow.
No change in chocolate for you, mister. Look at you. Look at all this stuff. Look at the size of this bunny. You gonna eat that whole thing?
Dakota's 4-year-old Easter egg hunt. Wish it was sunny out. Woo! He's running so fast. Can't keep up with him.
There's more. Oh, put it down. Oh, is there one over there? How about, is there one in the tree?
Oh, this way. What that boy?
How many do you have? How many? You have a lot? Okay. I think you got them all. Did you get them all? Oh, Dakota. What are you doing? I think that's it, because it's so cold.
Okay, that's it. Now we can go in and have something, hash browns and donuts. Hey! Yay! Happy Easter, Dakota!
Happy Easter.
That's as big as you. I think it's bigger.
It's bigger than you are, Dakota. It's 4 feet long. Wow. You see how big it is? You like it?
Yeah, I'm going to open it.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome, Dakota. I love you.
You too.